Welcome back to our dental SEO series. In this video, we're going to talk about the first and arguably the most important topic when it comes to SEO, which is keyword research, or figuring out what dental services people in your area are actually looking for, what they want to buy, and where you should focus your effort in order to drive the most and also the highest quality of patients to your practice. If you're new here, I'm Nick from RevUp Dental. We help dentists get more new patients, grow their practice, and beat their competition. We put out regular content that helps dentists rev up their practice, so consider subscribing to our channel and leave us a like or a comment down below because it helps us tremendously with the Google algorithm. Many dentists get little to no results with SEO because they start throwing money at SEO with no real plan for what keywords to target. All the time, dentists come to us and they say, I want to be #1 on Google. And we say, okay, cool, but for what keywords? And they either respond with, I don't know, or they say, all of them. I want to be #1 on Google for everything. Unfortunately, that's not possible. There's thousands of different keywords that people search for on Google when they're looking for dental services. You cannot build a website that ranks well for everything. If anyone tells you differently, I assure you, you are being scammed. SEO, or success with SEO, like most things in business and in life, starts by creating a good plan and laser focusing on what will drive the best results. This is done through good keyword research, and it's the difference between attracting a lot more new patients to your practice or just lighting your marketing dollars on fire. There's a really powerful tool to help you figure all of this out, and it's called Google Keyword Planner, and it's completely free. All you have to do is go to ads.google.com, sign up for a free account. You don't need to spend any money or run any ads. You could just use the Keyword Planner tool without paying a dime. The Google Keyword Planner helps you discover what keywords people in your area are searching for when it comes to dental services and how competitive those keywords are. As a dentist, there's many different types of services you offer, everything from checkup and cleanings to root canals to teeth whitening, dental implants, and much more. If you try to go after everything, unless you're in a small one-horse town in the middle of nowhere, it's highly unlikely that you're going to be successful. Of the thousands of different keywords that people in your area are looking for each month related to dentistry and dental services, you want to pick a handful that are going to drive the best results. So let's take a look at some examples for how you can do this using the Keyword Planner tool. In this report, we're looking at dental keywords in Knoxville, Tennessee. We can see that there's around 2,400 monthly searches for dentists near me, and it has a medium level of competition, and dentists who are paying for advertising, they're spending around $5.71 per click to $16.96 per click to drive someone to their website. Now, this keyword has a lot of traffic, but it's also pretty generic, and it would be much harder to rank for compared to other keywords because it's the keyword that probably every dentist in Knoxville wants to rank for. We may be able to do it, but it could take a tremendous amount of time and money to do so, and it's arguable whether this would actually drive good patients to your practice. Looking lower on the list, we can see two other keywords, pediatric dentist and pediatric dentist near me, which combined generate around 650 monthly searches and both have low competition. These keywords don't generate as much traffic as dentist near me, but I would say these two keywords are probably better targets because the people who are searching for this, they're more specific about what they're looking for. They're looking for a pediatric dentist, and the competition is also lower. Looking further down, we see another great keyword, best dentist near me, which may only have 50 searches per month, but I would argue those 50 people are probably much better potential patients because they care about quality. They're not just looking for any dentist, they want to find the best dentist. If we go a bit lower down, we can see some examples of bad keywords like this one here, cheap dentist near me, which I wouldn't want to target because it's likely going to attract low quality patients. Remember above when we looked at the keyword dentist near me and it had 2,400 monthly searches? Well, those 2,400 searches are made up of things like cheap dentist near me and affordable dentist near me, and keywords that we probably don't want to show up for. This is why it's critical to really take the time to think about who you're trying to target and being really laser focused on the best keywords. Just because you rank well on Google for certain keywords doesn't mean that it's actually going to drive high quality patients to your practice. It's important to understand that there is a search intent behind each of the keywords. Let me give you a hypothetical example. Let's look at these 5 keywords that people may be searching for on Google when they're looking for a dentist in your area. They could type in dentist or dentist near me or cheap dentist near me or best dentist in Knoxville or best Invisalign dentist in Knoxville. Let's stop for a second and think about the search intent of the person who would be making a search for these types of keywords. The first keyword, dentist, is pretty generic. We don't really know anything about them other than maybe they're somebody looking for a dentist. The second keyword, dentist near me, is a bit more specific, which is good. And the search intent is probably to find a dentist that's in their area. They probably value convenience and location. Cheap dentist near me is somebody that's probably places a huge emphasis on finding the lowest price, and on top of that they also want to find somebody that's close by. The likelihood that this would be a good patient for your practice is probably low. Best dentist in Knoxville is a great keyword because this is someone who isn't just looking for a dentist down the street. They may be willing to travel anywhere in Knoxville if they can find a really good dentist. Best Invisalign dentist in Knoxville is an even better keyword because not only are they looking for quality and maybe willing to travel anywhere in Knoxville, but they also know exactly what they want, Invisalign. By looking at each keyword carefully and really thinking about the intent behind the search, such as, does it seem like they know what they want? Are they just looking for the lowest price? Are they looking for whoever is closest? Are they looking for whoever accepts their insurance? Or are they looking for quality and expertise? You can save yourself a lot of time and money by going after the people that are most likely to be your highest value patients. To be successful with SEO, it's not about just ranking higher for all kinds of random keywords. It's about ranking high for very select, very high value keywords that are likely being searched by the patients who value quality, they need a dentist, and they're serious about going to one. I hope you found this video useful. Stay tuned for our next video in the series where we're going to talk about on-page SEO, or how to make your website rank better for those great keywords that you've identified in this keyword research phase. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.